Personal ledger. Personal ledger is prepared to find out balance due from a person, balance due to a person. It is find out through personal ledger. Okay. Next, what are the transactions are record in the debit side in personal ledger? Balance due from. Next one, credit sales, goods or assets. Goods or assets. Cash paid. Next one, check issued, paid through check, payment made by check. Payment made by check. And they are asking in three ways: check issued and paid through check, payment made by check. Next, purchase returns means already we are purchased from others, so return to others, purchase returns. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 transactions will be recorded on the debit side. How to identify key term? Key term. Every transaction there is use two word: cash paid to, sales to, return to, check issued to, and a key term in every transaction including to, it must be on the debit side. Next, వ్యక్తిగత ఖాతాలో వీటిని పర్సనల్ అకౌంట్ అంటాం. ఇందులో బ్యాలెన్స్ డ్యూ ఫ్రమ్ కానీ, సేల్స్ కానీ, ఒకవేళ క్యాష్ పెయిడ్ కానీ, లేదా చెక్ ఇష్యూడ్ కానీ, చెక్ త్రూ అని కానీ, పర్చేజ్ రిటర్న్స్ కానీ ఒకవేళ ఉన్నట్లయితే అందులో టూ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంటుంది. టూ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి అలాంటి ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ మాత్రమే డెబిట్ సైడ్ నమోదు చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్, in personal ledger credit side transactions, which transactions and record on the credit side of the personal ledger? Balance due to. In any problem they are given either first one or second one, which is optional. Suppose first one is given in the problem, second one is not given in the problem. Suppose second one is given in the problem, first one is not given in the problem. Either first one is given or second one is given. Both are not given at the time, at any problem, in any one problem. Either first one is given or second one is given. First one is given, there is no chance to second one. Suppose second one is given, there is no chance for first one. This is remember and everyone. Next, credit purchases, goods or assets. Goods or assets. And cash received from, check received, sales returns. Already we are sales to other persons, the persons may return the goods, it is called sales returns. What are the keywords in these transactions? Either from or by. Anyone in every transactions are appear on the credit side. Either and it is and exemption from the word. These are exemption from the words. For the other transactions only apply these and key terms. Here also this key terms is applied from this transaction, from this transaction, from this transaction, from this transactions. It is exempted from this one. Okay. Next, and credit purchases, cash received, check received, sales returns. The key words must be applied or and used for this one only, just like purchase goods from, cash received from, check received from, sales returned by. These are the keywords. It is exempted from these keywords. Next, now how to record the as per the personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. Which account you are preparing? First remember the person name first of all. Here X is, and we are preparing X personal account, so we always thinking X point of view only. X is receiver or giver? X is receiver or giver, and every transaction point of view thinking in the X point of view only. X is the receiver or giver? X is the receiver, it must be recorded on the debit side. X is the giver, it must be recorded on the credit side. You have to remember. And two conditions, either receiver or giver, and always we are thinking about X point of view only. Next, as per this format, and for example problem, take an example problem for explanation of and this one account. So goods sold to X, this is the key term. So as per this transaction, X is the receiver. So here to sales account. Amount is 5,000 rupees. This is the first one. So as per this transaction, X is the receiver. Next, cash paid to X. Here also key term. So cash paid to X. As per this transaction, X is the receiver. So second one, to cash account. Cash account. Amount is 3,000 rupees. Next, as per the third problem, goods purchased from. This is the keyword. Okay now, goods purchased from. As per this transaction, X is the giver. X is the giver. So you have to write here only by purchases account. Amount is 2,000 rupees. Next, goods returned from means sales returns. Here also keyword from. So as per this problem, X is the and giver. So fourth one, by sales returns account. Sales returns account. Amount is 100 rupees. Next, check issued to X. As per this problem, and X is a receiver. So you have to write here only to bank account. In case of check, you have to mention compulsory bank 5,000 rupees. Sorry, 2,000 rupees. Next, sixth date. As per this transaction, check received from X. X is the giver, so you have to record here only by bank. Amount is 5,000 rupees. Next, goods return to. Goods return to means and goods return to X. Goods return to X means it is also key term. As per this problem, as per this transaction, X is the receiver. So, to purchase returns. Purchase returns account. Amount is 200 rupees. Okay. And overall observation, debit side is highest amount. So, first total them. 8,000 plus 2,000, 10,000, 10,200 rupees. So, here also 10,200 rupees. The total highest amount will be record both the total columns. Next amount is 7,100. So, 10,000 rupees debit side less credit side 7,100 rupees. 0, 0, 1, 10 minus 7, 3 and 3,100 rupees. So, which side is shortage amount? This side. So, you have to write last date of the month as per the next date. What is the next transaction day? 8th. Here, by balance carried on. Amount is 3,100 rupees. Suppose in the problem only given the transactions, they are not under specification for settlement account, either paid in cash, remaining balance, through check, whatever it may be, is not given in the problem. So, when they are given the problem just like, and you have to record on the debit side transaction, debit side, credit transaction, credit side, and total highest amount, total them first of all, and the total amount must be recorded both the total columns, debit side as well as credit side. Find out and difference amount. Here debit amount is 10,200, credit amount is 7,100. So, difference amount 3,100. And as per this problem, which side is shortage? That side, the remaining balance amount or balance amount must be record, and specification word just like by balance carried on 3,100. Suppose, and sometimes maybe credit is more than the debit, credit is more than the debit. So, the same word you have to mention here, to balance carried on. So, here more is there and here is less. So, the balance amount must be, the same amount will be recorded this side also. And as per the problem, shortage side and differences between two balances. Suppose credit side 7,100 rupees and balance will be also recorded on the credit side. What is the rule? Debit is equal to credit. This is the rule. So, shortage amount, credit side shortage amount. So, you have to record difference amount also record on the credit side. This is the personal ledger problem. Okay. Remember one thing, and sometimes may be given and transactions are not related to X. So, that time we are ignore and non-related transaction of X. So only we are consider X transactions only in X account. Suppose in this problem any transactions related to Y is given, no need to record in X account. So this is the explanation about and personal ledger. Personal ledger main intention to find out the person may debtor or creditor, to find out through personal ledger. Suppose as this problem debit is more, so debtor X is the debtor. X is the debtor as per this problem. Suppose credit is more, so the balance carried on must be appear this side. In that situation, X is the creditor. X is the creditor. This is the condition you have to remember. Okay, once again, these are the transactions, the mainly and cover on the debit side, balance due from, credit sales, cash paid, check issued, purchase returns. These are the transactions recorded on the debit side. Key term is 2. Key term is 2. TO2. So here also, and in every transaction 2 is there, the transactions will be recorded in the debit side. Next, in personal ledger credit side, balance due to, credit purchases, cash received, check received, sales and returns. These are the transactions recorded on the credit side. Key terms is from or by. Here also third one, goods purchased from, so it will be here only. Next, check received from, it is also recorded on the credit side by bank account. Goods return to, it said, so and return by, return to. There are goods return from is there, so it will be here only, from here only. So, and you know the fundamental rule, and every transaction you are and think the X is receiver or giver. Receiver, the transaction must be recorded on the debit side. As per the transactions, the X may be giver, so and the transaction must be recorded on the credit side. Simply say, and which person account you are preparing, the person or receiver or giver. Suppose the person receiver as per the transactions, the person account must be debited with these transactions. Suppose and as per the transaction, the person may be and giver, the transaction must be recorded here only. We are preparing X account, X is the receiver, the transaction must be recorded this side, X is the giver, the transaction must be recorded this side. This is the, remember one thing. Okay na? This is the and way prepare personal accounts. You know the personal account principle, debit the receiver and credit the giver. And remember every time the person is receiver or giver. Which person account you are preparing, the person account receiver or giver as per the transaction, as per the transactions. That is the main and key point to remember, either receiver or giver. In simple way, just in these transactions, every transaction there are some words are given just like two, and if any transaction is having two, and the two transaction must be recorded on the debit side. Suppose in the transactions including by or from word, that will be compulsory record on the credit side. These are the keywords and you have to remember in another way. Either you are record as per the receiver or giver, either and record as per the key terms, whichever is early, whichever is easy, and you have to remember and you have to record, and the final result is only one. You are record as per the personal account principle, you are record as per the key terms, whatever it may be as your wish. This is the way of preparation personal account.